warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinda Permata Sari, and in this vlog, I would like to tell you all about this book. The title is Milea, the Sound of the Dilan. Okay, before I started the review, let me tell you all a little story about this book. For your information, this is the third book series of Dilan and Milea stories. There is 3 series and this is the third series. Let me tell you all, this is the first series and this is the second series, and this book is the third series of Dilan and Milea stories. Okay, let's move on to the review. Okay, first I will review about the cover of this book. As you can see, this book is so interesting. Why? Because in the cover of this book, you can find some interesting words like this word. Farewell is a ceremony to welcome those longing days. And people say that this book is like trick how to reach woman's heart. Let's see review people after read this book. Dilan gives another portrayal of the concept of love and how beautiful the simple love of action children. At Revaniris. Only one that I want a guy like Dilan. At _Sofa FC. In the novel, there are also animated portrayals of the character contained in the Milea story, The Sound of the Dilan. Like this. There is Milea, Dilan, and the other characters. This novel tells a brief introduction to Dilan when he was a child. He once wanted to be a tiger, even thought it was impossible in his childhood. Dilan always thought that he had a really happy childhood. During his school, Dilan often spent time with friends at the PM shop. It was at PM shop that Dilan began to know a beautiful girl from Jakarta named Milea. That's where she began to approach Milea. Dilan asked for a prayer at her mother so that his approach was smooth after many things that Dilan had done to approach Milea. Finally, Dilan and Milea are actually dating. Okay, that's all my review. If a lot of mistake either intonation or not, I'm sorry as much as possible. That's all for me.